shot like this. Hey! 1 billion likes. Then if I do like this, like Bolly Bolly, T.Y. Bello, baddest photographers. Hey! 2 billion likes, views everywhere.
What are you doing?
Eh?
What are you doing?
Okay, mind your business. Just like this, let me see. Let me just picturize, imagine something. Smile for me. You're not smiling.
What are you doing?
I mind your business, so then I will not stay
I
like
am
this.
minding you. I said, what are you doing?
My guy, I'll be a star. Big star.
You know, good cameras doesn't sound chick.
Uh,
Good cameras sound. Then you see good pictures. So what are you doing?
even if it sound or so long as I will get a good picture, that's my business. I'll be a star. Just imagine me taking this kind of shots. Then I go like 360.
So you want to become a star with all these things you're doing here?
I'm the process now. I'm at the process. I have dreams. I have passion. I have love for photography. You see, I want to travel abroad. Like Malaysia, Jakarta. Take pictures with presidents, governors, big men. Associate myself with them and make money. That is what we should be talking about now. Money.
Anyway, they say when a man grows of age, he will begin to think higher.
No, so.
But what's my business? What's my business? When a woman comes in, we work together.
What did you say?
When
the woman comes in?
Yes, we work together.
Are you a woman rapper? Wait, are you one of those men that believe once you get a woman or you see a rich woman now, you associate yourself with her?
And what is wrong with that?
What are you talking about? You're an African man, strong Nigerian man. Every man needs to hustle, make money for yourself because women think differently. You need to hustle and make money now, like your mates. Make money. Go out there like your mates are doing. Don't ever depend on a woman. Are you hearing me? A woman will always think differently. That is why they are created from our ribs. They behave differently. So once you make money, you can marry them and keep them. Tell them what to do. Don't stay here and wait. You're not of age. Oh. Look at you, you're going to 40. So you should make money on your own first. Don't depend on any woman. Oh. Otherwise, guy.
That is where the love comes in.
Which
My
love?
woman will never disappoint me.
Which love? Which love? Well, that's your business. I'm talking about money, how to make money. You're talking about love. We are not even thinking the same. So let me see. Imagine this kind of shot. I want to snap like Mr. Putin, Donald Trump, our president. This kind of shot like this. Hi.
Okay, let's drop this conversation for next time. Okay?
So you're running,
I'm not running. Come on, let's go and drink.
You're running kitty. I like it when you bring up conversations like this and I win you. Because why? You don't have sense. So let me school you. Let me teach you something about life.
Are you coming with me?
I am not coming.
Come and chill with a big boy.
Who is a big boy? You a big boy since when? Go and drink.
If they leave you now, you're going to run kitty. They run. Come and chill with the big boys.
That is the only thing you know how to do. Reason and make money. You will not reason and make money.
The picture sound.
So you know about the sound now. You still there here. Poverty. You want to go drink.
Two best friends, Echike and Chidi. They work together and do everything together. Echike is a drunkard, Chidi is a lover boy, lover.
Hey, Kaite,
What's happened?
this drink na today own, I been yesterday own.
Now today drink.
Hi.
This kind now.
Shey Sakarin no down.
I beg you not stay, Oga.
I don't want shit like small pikin o. My chairman is Sam. Chairman.
Better customer.
Give them one big jar.
Hey!
That's my guy.
you
You
do
guys the Iyara. Odegu. Odegu.
What's in there? What's in there now? What's in there?
Odegu just there now.
Hey, do.
Hey.
Odegu just there. Odegu, I gonna be like you, I swear.
Better customer.
I gonna be like you, eh?
See, yeah, now when I come back from China, then I go they hear me that chairman.
Chairman, all this travel something.
You know, say me and my friend will get big dreams.
You be like, hey, Chairman, where that your friend safe? You know, say me, I get business deal for you. Yes, nah.
I hope say that big business.
You never even hear and
We
say.
go run am for you now. We go run am for you.
Talk about it.
Based on my friend in their house,
Yeah.
they say a friend in need
Yeah.
is a friend in need. So any kind of business when I do,
Chairman, I don't think that's how that adage is applying.
that's why I want to take a plan
You guys there? What's that happen now?
This man to the waka. This man
What
to
thing
the
happen now?
I think you don't get no more friends, don't get what I'm saying.
How we drink?
And do everything together. HK is a drunkard. Chidi is a lover boy. Love, Ebola Chidi. A friend in need is a friend in need.
As a business.
Business.
Yes.
From where?
I'm coming from that normal spot. So I met some guys there. We bring the business. So we have to go now so we can our usual spot.
Oh, you're just coming from the bar. You're drunk. I told you I don't want to drink. So just they go abeg.
So anybody that is coming from the bar is drunk.
Is automatically drunk.
My brother.
I have plans. I want to make money, okay? I told you before, I don't want to go to the bar. Drink is not my problem. Let me stay and think. I want to be like T.Y. Bello, make more money. I have a career.
I'm not here for jokes. I came for business. It's a serious business. Are you in or out?
You have a business?
Yes, for us.
For us?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Nah, got the letter.
Wait. Let me just lock up my house.
I'm telling you something very important. You're still here talking.
It's false money. I'm coming. Let's go. I beg, Chai, after help me, in case they bring lights, off everything for me.
Chairman, sir.
Better, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sit down.
Good afternoon.
Chairman, we just did.
You
guys there?
Huh?
You know what I'm saying, Lo?
Bros. I'm fine.
I'll call you back, bro.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My friend Achike told me you have a job for us.
Yes. See, he get one small land where me I get. You understand? I want to start to the farming side that land. So I just want make them clear am for me.
Okay.
So I want enter city. You understand? Just go organize 1 or 2 mini business so you know some fish things that.
Now that your land they call one small place. We will give you one mini business. That place na big business, so na big business.
Now wetin my papa take settle maybe this one.
Lucky you.
I hear say una dey organize boys. I been una go use una hand.
Bros, we don't upgrade though. We can't remain small every day now. You understand? We grow now.
We grow every day.
Yeah, we don't grow past that level.
But you know say if una still use una hand do, I know say una be man, una still use una hand do, it no matter. Now all na part of exercise.
Bro, so with what I've gathered so far, you want us to clear the land.
Yes.
Your fee is 50k.
I don't understand. As in naira or kobo?
50,000 now. Which naira? Which kobo? 50k.
Wait, If they go inside the farmland to go drink, I mean they go there to go enjoy. I don't understand. You get any party where one goes there, where they collect 50k.
No, you said you want work. Or
yes.
You want a clean work. We'll bring boys, they will clean it up. What we do is we'll bring like 10 boys, we pay them 5k per person. You understand? And the job will be done. So even 50k service because of Achike, my friend.
Okay, they do calculation for me. Okay, you don't enter mass now. See, I'll tell you something. The only two I go give you for that, you see that land, which I go give you then at 30k final. And you no go pass that 30k. If you no go do a liver.
No, 30k no go work, bro.
It's okay. We'll take it. Yes, we'll take it.
We'll take it.
We'll take it. It's okay. Guy,
We'll tell him now.
Make I see. Come now, make I see.
I work for you.
That's too much.
That's it.
Make I see.
Sometimes we'll take 70.
What did they worry you? What did they worry you? Eh? Why go enter they call money? What is 50k? What is your problem?
What are you saying? What is 50k?
The money is too much now.
50k now too much money for your side. Eh? What is 50k? Listen, I have plans. I told you. I'm not a poor man. I want to travel abroad. I have dreams.
Okay.
50k no be what they find.
I know say get dreams. Me, I get big dreams too. But man, by the drop of water, small, the thing go drop full drum.
Which kind poverty proverbs with that? Eh? Poor man proverbs. You go to drop. When that drum go full, eh? Have you asked yourself that question? When would that drum full? If you don't move like a force, go abroad and make big money. You go to drop for inside drum. Let
me ask you a question. You have money. Are you not a poor man?
I'm a potential rich man.
You're a potential poor man, my friend. Shut up. See, then we
potential rich man.
Then Nika, what
you look at your trouser. Look at your trouser.
They claim big. They claim what you know big. Potential. You don't carve your biabia for how many months now? Potential rich man.
If you like, go inside there, go accept 30k. You accept 50k. You accept 100k. No, my concern. I'm looking at millions. If I go come back now, people they call me Chidi millionaire. You
know what I want make you do now? Eh? From here, they go house.
Come here, half my back. Go ask him how. My father.
If you enter there again now, you mess me up.
You no go tell me what I go do. If you're a poor man, go and
that small 30k now. If I bring him and you go first rush him.
Me rush him.
Shawarma go begin hungry.
Me rush him.
Beans and plantain go begin hungry.
You don't know me very well. Listen, I'm a rich man, a potential rich man. I want
just go house. We go house. Then from here now they go no talk again. They go house.
Leave me alone.
They go house. No the shame. Very poor man. Come out.
I don't even go inside with you, sir. I don't go inside with you. But, man,
very poor man. Come.
Where your guy now?
Okay, my friends, let me go catch some rest. But everything pure.
Okay, now don't settle.
Yes, everything pure. We will take them, eh?
Then I go start working at any moment now. No wahala. Ekaite!
You won't ever for me.
Ekaite!
This woman no one.
Yes.
Yeah, better go sleep.
I don't want to tell you, like, you know what collect your money. Oh. If I call you 2 times, say you don't get problem. Oh. Serve for my money. Yeah, they chop my money. They can make us stop that nonsense.
Two best friends, Echike and Chidi. They work together and do everything together. Echike is a drunkard, Chidi is a lover boy, oh, love, Ebola Chidi. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Support my dreams and feel my pains. We are two best friends, we do everything together. My name is Echike, I drink away my pains. My name is Chidi, I fall in love with Choma, oh. Ibu ezibo friend, oh. Ibu one mama. Ibu oka chama, ovegi onye dikagi. Ibu ezibo friend, oh. Ibu one mama.
Sandra.
Ibu oka chama, ovegi onye dikagi.
Sandra.
Oh,
Yes, Mom. I'm coming.
Ibu
told you that no man would like you looking like this. This thing on your face is too much. It is good you look natural.
Mama, you are wrong. This is what men likes now. Not that I'm doing it for any man to like me. No, but it's the latest fashion. Hey, Mama, you can't go anywhere and looking natural. No, you have to do your makeup. Some of my friends even paint their nails. Some wear this long something. They call it eyelashes and everything. Hey, even the one they call weave on. Man, just leave me the way I am. I'm okay.
Sandra, I am your mother. And I am telling you what is good for you. That looking natural is the best. Be yourself. Let the color, your natural color, come out. I want you to wear the face I gave birth to. I can't deceive you. I am your mother that will never deceive you. And you should stop arguing with me because I have more knowledge than you. I have been there before. Go in and clean off those things on your face.
Okay, Mama. I will use makeup cleaner to clean it up when I come back. You want me to go buy something for you?
I want you to go and deliver a message for me to my friend Ekemma. So before you go there, go and wipe these makeups on your face. Clean it.
Mama, let me go and come back. If I come back, I will use makeup cleaner and clean it.
Clean all of them if possible. Use water to wash it off. I'm wasting your time on irrelevant things. I say you should wash it off and look natural. The girl I gave birth to, mama, let your natural color, let it come out naturally. Let you hide in there with makeup.
Hello? Please stop, please. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What can I do for you?
Nothing much. Actually, I've been stalking you for some time now, and I want to talk to you. Please.
You have been stalking me. See, I don't have time. What is it? What do you want?
Okay, fine. Can I know your name?
I don't tell my name to strangers. Is that all? Because I do not have time.
Oh, well, what if I tell you my name? I won't be a stranger to you anymore, right? Okay. My name is Chidi. Nice to meet you. You see, you're very beautiful, and the sun is too hot for you to stand. Please, can I take you to a shade for cover?
Why are you trying to be nice?
Oh, no, I'm not trying to be nice, my dear. I'm just a realist, I'm stating the obvious. I mean, you're beautiful. Can't you see your skin? It's shining, glowing. So please, can I take you to the shade for cover, please?
I'm not interested.
Oh, please, please, listen, please. Beautiful girl. Just a minute of your time, please. I promise you I won't take long. Please. This way.
I'm going somewhere. I need to go and do something for my
Just
mother.
a minute, please. Huh? See your
Just
skin.
1 minute.
1 minute.
1 minute.
30 seconds, I'm done.
Good.
Let's just stop. Okay?
You pass through.
Let me cover you. You're beautiful. I don't want you to stand under the sun. Okay. I think this shade is nice, right?
It's okay.
At least I'm at ease now.
Are you always this nice?
I'm a nice person to everybody, but especially to those that are nice to me.
But I'm not one of them. I mean, I was just rude to you some moments ago.
Oh no, don't say that. You're not a rude person. You're beautiful. You're not just beautiful, you're nice. You're sweet. Yes. And what happened moments ago, I didn't consider it as being rude. You're just being defensive because you're a beautiful lady.
Are you always this smooth while you're talking? Because I'm beginning to view you from one one angle.
Well, like I said before, I'm a realist, okay? I always state the obvious, the facts. Yes, I'm eloquent. And I like you. You know why? Because you know how to keep conversations going.
I'm trying to get you off my back.
Oh, you're trying to be defensive again, right? Well, can I know your name now? And at least have your number, your phone number.
What makes you think I would like to give you my name and my number?
I just want to know your name and I also have your number, so I will call you whenever I want to see you. Please.
I don't want you calling me on the phone.
Really? That means you want me to be stalking you every day in this village?
How would you say that?
Well, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. You said you want to go get something, right?
Yes. You know what?
What?
Let's make a deal.
Okay.
I'm going somewhere. If you're still here by the time I come back, I will give you my number. But if you're not, let's forget about it.
Oh, another difficult assignment. So I have to wait here for you to go and come back. Well, I know the route to your house, so I'll be here waiting for you. But if you take another route to your house, I will look for you. Trust me.
Have a little faith.
Can I now know your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Let me think. Sandra. I'll see you later.
Sandra. What a beautiful name for a beautiful person. Sandra. Look at, oh, God. Sandra, I'll be here waiting for you, okay? Okay. Yes. Even if it takes forever. Please be careful, okay? I'm still waiting for your number.
Is it one more?
My name is Sandra.
Love more. You are the air that I breathe. You are the apple of my eye. You are the love of my life. What a marama. Is it one? Is it one?
Sandra. Sandra.
Thunder fire will try to separate us.
I've been calling you.
I can see. You found me.
Yes. Whenever a man is searching for something so close to his heart, he goes the extra miles to get it. Can I have your number now? Please.
07033220011.
Can you please call it again for me? Please. Hello? I just called to say thank you.
You said that already.
Oh, really? Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello?
Thunder fire will try to separate us. Yes. Love more.
Yeah, they come. Okay.
Customer. What's happen?
This one is so good. It's not as slappy as yesterday's one. This one is nice.
Now today they bring am o.
I for say. I beg,
You
bring
like
another
am?
one. Bring another one. This one not
Man, go
bring
bring
another one. Yes.
Okay.
Hi. Why they want my drink now?
I know if you give you this drink. Oh.
What's happened now?
The ones where you drink before you don't pay. Yesterday when you don't pay. This one where you drink now you don't pay.
What's gonna happen now? Give me my drink now.
I no go. You see the drink, now make I bring am make you see am. I no go give it till you pay me my money. 6,000.
Me?
Yes, so.
They owe you 6,000.
Okay, give me
Or you don't carry other people's bill, they put on my head. No try this thing now. I be your customer, no they do this thing.
Make my oga come cash here. Your eye go clear.
We don't do ojoro, you don't do ojoro, so you
Now
don't
I go bring
carry.
the book where I write everything.
You don't carry other people's bill, they put on top of my head.
Okay. Wait, ma, I go bring the list of everything where you don't drink. Are they come?
I will sue this place. I am going to sue this shop. No, I will sue you people.
Look at
Bring her, make her see.
Give me 1 jar, give me 2 jar, give me 3 jar, give me 4 jar. Now the jar, don't fool there. Pay me my money.
Only me jar up this all this.
Now you jar them, I beg. Give me my money.
That is not true. Let me get this bill. You know what
Make my oga come cash you here first. Your eye, if your eye no clear, man, no waiting cause am.
This bill no be me. No be me jar this one.
The date
No be me
and
jar
time,
this one.
everything.
Amaka.
Don't touch it now, it's painful.
Ndo. Sorry. Amaka, what happened to you? What happened to you? No, so no go.
I slipped and I fell.
So. You slipped and you fell. Just that. And you're looking like we're the 4th World War. Amaka, how did you fall? Adam also. You no longer have eyes to see.
What kind of question is that? I told you I slipped and I fell. What else do you want me to tell you?
And you're crying. I slipped and I fell. And you're crying.
It's painful now.
Okay. Sorry. Mila Dioko.
I hope the water is not too hot though, because this thing is very painful.
Look at someone I'm trying to help. And you're here complaining. You have a choice.
You take it easy, oh.
My friend, when next year you're moving, you look properly so you
is
don't...
that the story you're supposed to tell me?
Sorry.
Oh, Joma, take it easy now. It's too hot now.
Sorry.
You want this thing to peel off my skin?
Sorry. Ndo. Come. Bring your face. Bring your face.
This thing is too hot now. Ay. Oh, Joma, please now. It's too hot. Stop. It's okay.
Amaka, bring your leg in so that this thing...
It's okay.
Stop
it, the pains will go. That water is too hot.
Let me... Sorry. No.
No, don't touch it now.
Sorry. She slipped and fell. All of a sudden, you obtained all that injuries? Amaka, no. I did not buy this one. You see, this is your lie. I did not buy it. Something must be wrong. Amaka,
ekweterom na nke a cha-cha. No, now. Are you learning how to walk or what? For you to fall just like that? Maniru, Aka, It better not be what I'm thinking. It's okay. It better not be all else. Okay. Okay. If I talk now, they will say, Choma have started talking. Choma have started causing troubles in this village. Okay. Oh! Ada.
Amaka, has anything gone wrong with your head? How dare you stop me on the way and ask me to go home with you? Do I look like your child?
Sorry, let's go home, please.
Amaka, it is like you need me to hit you.
Arinze, who is this woman? Huh?
Don't be angry.
Who is she?
Did you just call me a woman? Are you not a woman?
Eh? Are you not a woman?
No. At your age. So you don't know I'm supposed to be calling you auntie? see your breast. Look at your breast. It's almost as your tummy.
Look at who is talking. Old woman, go home. Arinze doesn't need you.
I start going home.
Yes, go home.
Amaka, start going home now. Yes. Why are you everywhere? Eh? Don't you have any other thing to do? Go home. Go home whenever I decide I'll come back to meet you there. Go home now. Maybe I'm sorry.
I don't like this thing, no. I don't like this thing.
Sorry.
How can this stupid girl be insulting me, telling me that, look at my breast. My breast has fallen. For what now?
Maybe she's envious of you.
Envious of me for what? I don't like it, oh. I don't like it. How can this stupid girl be telling me that this is my fine breast?
Hey, it's fine now. Am I not the one that has been touching it? It's standing now.
This fine breast.
Very standing.
Stop it, oh.
Because
can this stupid girl? Is she beautiful?
No.
Is she beautiful?
She's more envious of you. It's okay.
Amaka, what is it?
Did you see Arinze?
No. Why?
He didn't come back home last night.
So? He could be anywhere. Besides, I saw him yesterday morning with Emeka. I know that one likes carrying him about like he owns Arinze and the entire village. So why is that a problem? Hey. Chimo. Ami, what is it? Why are you like this now? Eh? Amaka, what is it? Why are you crying? Is it that you like crying or you are too emotional? Eh?
Choma, do Arinze love me?
How am I supposed to know? Am I Arinze's guardian angel? Amaka, what is going on? What is happening? Yesterday was you slipped and you got injured. Today, Arinze did not come back to the house. What is happening? Amaka! Amaka.
Chichi, your food is so delicious. Chichi. This girl. Eh? Are you air? Everywhere I go, you follow me. Are you air?
Arinze, where did you get this food from?
What sort of question is that, Amaka? Eh? No, I stole it. So I can't cook again. I can't prepare food again. You're asking me where I got food from.
Arinze, you and I know that you cannot do anything. You that cannot even prepare water for yourself. And you're telling me you made this food. Eh? You made it and you put it in a flask.
Well, if you must know, a friend made it for me. A friend prepared this delicious food for me. Since you want to know everything.
A female friend, right?
Amaka, what is your problem? What does it matter? A friend is a friend, male or female. What is your problem?
That is not my question, Arinze. A female friend prepared this food for you, right?
Okay. Since you want to know everything, Omni West, that is what you are. Okay, let me tell you. Yes, a female friend made it for me. And since you won't let me eat this food in peace, I can as well take it to her house and finish up.
Arinze, I need to talk to you.
Talk to me. I'm done talking with you.
Arinze! Arinze! Arinze!
Stay away from me.
Arinze, I need to talk to you now.
Stay away from me.
Arinze! Arinze! Arinze, I need to talk to you. Amaka, what is it? Huh?
Arisa stopped eating my food.
Amaka, the other day, you came here crying that you slipped and got injured. Today, you are crying because Arisa refused to eat your food. Chelukwa, Amaka, so you are crying because a man refused to eat your food? Are you okay?
How can you say a thing like this now? Eh? You know I love Arisa so much. I love him with everything in me. What do you want me to do?
If tears is the language of love, I am sure by now Arisa will be crying as well because he claims he loves you. But if he is not crying, my dear friend, you will have to calculate on how to move on and stop crying because these tears will not help you at all.
Are you saying I should leave him?
Of course. You have to leave him since all he does to you is to cry. He makes you to cry. So you have to leave him. Keep Baulu.
You know it's not easy. Choma, you know it's not easy. Arisa is everything I have. You became single ever since Nedu broke your heart. You know Arisa is part of my life. If I leave him, where will I go to? Whose house will I run to? Eh?
Amaka, my dear friend, you have me, and that should count. Listen, I just need you to stop crying. Please, stop crying, Amaka. Please stop crying.
I want to go home now.
No. Amaka, you cannot go home looking like this. Listen, I don't want you to get to that house and start crying. Please, just stay here for now until you get better. Please stop crying. Amaka, it's okay, please.
Achike,
Yeah?
when will you stop embarrassing me?
How?
Why are you embarrassing me like this?
Otonezi?
Stop now. You see, I love that girl. Eh?
And so?
You have to stop saying those things you're saying. Stop cracking those jokes. Please, I want her to be comfortable around me.
So what stops her from being comfortable around you?
You have to stop those jokes. I don't like it. Okay? This girl, I love her and I want to take her seriously.
Go ahead and take her serious now. Yeah, I'm not the one she's taking serious. So I'm free to talk
So
and
you're
behave
free
anyhow.
not to say anything and behave anyhow when you're in my house. If you want to say something responsible. Do not say anything when you're in my house. If you don't know you're a grown up. Act like a grown up.
Do you know about freedom of speech?
Not in my house. I was giving you sign. You're going to Achika and Sons. Achika and Sons. I am your son. How? Eh?
Okay.
So think that we are fools.
No, you're not a fool before. No problem. No, I will try. I'll try my best.
Achike, you're my friend. Eh? Act as my friend now. Stop.
Does that girl know that you're very stupid? Very stupid.
Who gave birth to Joseph? Huh? Mistake.
Wait, why were you shouting at him like that?
I just had to let him know how to be careful with you when next he's talking to you.
See, I don't mind. I really don't mind, honestly.
I mind. I want you to be comfortable whenever you're with me. Please. Come, let's go.
Love more. You are the air that I breathe. You are the apple.
I was having fun. I think it's funny.
It's funny. It's not funny. Achike thinks he's the best comedian in this village. Not until he cracks the wrong joke.
I actually like him.
I like him too. I mean, he's my best friend. But I want to get deeper with you. I want to know you more. By myself. I don't want Achike to be there and start saying those jargons from his mouth.
Are you guys always together?
Of course. He's my best friend and everybody knows us in this village. We are always together.
How does your women cope?
Women?
Yes, you and Achike's.
Are you indirectly asking me if I have a girlfriend?
Okay, I'm asking, how does your girlfriend cope?
Okay, how do you cope with your man?
Me?
Yes.
Man? I don't have any boyfriend. No, I don't.
You're single? Is that what you're trying to say?
Why not come out and ask me this question direct instead of running around the circle?
Okay, I like the way you talk. Yes, I like the way you smile. I also like the way you laugh. You know, I just like the way you do everything. Yes. So you mean you're single? You don't have a boyfriend?
I'm still searching.
You're searching?
Is it one more? Love more. You are the air that I breathe. You are the apple of my eye. You are the love of my life.
Where are you coming from?
I want to see a friend.
Which friend?
He's one man. He's one man like that. He said he's interested in me, that he likes me a lot. And I like him too.
Onyine?
Nah.
If this friend you are talking about is not responsible enough to come to this house and take you out so that I can at least see his face and know who he is, then he is not a good friend. Yes, he is not a good friend for my own daughter at all.
What are you saying?
I would have said, be careful, but I won't. Don't see him again, is what I will tell you.
Eh?
Just look at the way you are grinning, shining, bringing out your 32 teeth. You're happy. Since morning you have been with him. Very soon, you will bring home an unwanted pregnancy. Pregnancy that no one planned for. And this same man you are celebrating now, well, he likes me and I like him. If pregnancy appears out of this thing, he will deny you. He won't even remember your name. He will deny you ever meeting you. That's the truth.
Mom, he's not like that. Oh. He's not that kind of person. He's not.
Sandra.
Ma?
Onyinechukwu.
Ma?
These are all your names. I don't want you to see that man again.
Eh?
Don't see him again, is what I said. Am I cleared?
Ha.
Afunu ozo. I don't want you to bring shame to me. Don't disgrace me. Now go inside.
Mama, he's not that kind of person. No. He's not that kind of person. I don't think he's that kind of person.
Sandra.
Yes.
You know I'm crushing on you, right?
Okay.
And I
I want to take it to the next stage. You see, I've been having these feelings inside of me for so long, and I think this is the right time for me to spit it out. Honestly speaking, I want to ask you a question.
What is it? Talk to me. I'm listening. Okay?
I want to be your boyfriend. I'm serious. Listen, Sandra, I love you so much with all my heart, and I want us to be together. Please.
You want to be my boyfriend?
Yes. And I want you to be my girlfriend.
Can I think about it?
Sure, you can. So,
I'll see you later.
Oh boy. Why they squeeze your face? Why they rumple your face? Why they do your face like that? The girl no like you, hold her. She no like you.
why would you say such a thing? Eh? Are you not my friend? Instead of you to give me hope, you're telling me the girl doesn't like me.
I know say truth the pain. The girl no like you, hold her. Eh? Which one be say, don't worry, I will talk to you tomorrow. Eh? I will tell you the real thing tomorrow. Why did she tell you now?
Wait.
Let her say it now.
Are you the girl? Eh? She said tomorrow. I will wait. Even if she said next year, 4 years time, 5 years, I will wait. I love her. I'll wait for her. Now.
I think she's trying to play safe.
Now you're talking.
It's okay.
You know girls now, how they do their things. And she cannot just accept immediately. And she will have to give me some time. So, you know now, how boyfriend and girlfriend things they be. You know all these things. I know. So she will just...
Two best friends.
Your ear is too big and very soft. To be good in a oral soup.
Intike. I know the yard word though. This is my ear. Only welcomes money. Only listens to money.
See your ear. Serious canda.
What about your own ear? Always look at my trouble. Snitch.
Where you got it like this is
I have thought about your request.
Just say anything.
I have accepted.
You have... Oh my God! Are you serious?
Yes.
You've accepted?
Yes.
Listen, you've made my day today. I am the happiest man.
Wow.
I love you.
Thank you.
So, let me take you to somewhere so we can, discuss more. Better.
I'm not a kid.
What is your problem, Achike?
I don't have a problem.
Must you talk? Eh? Can't you just keep quiet sometime and listen? Must you open your mouth and say anything?
I don't see why you're upset. Why are you even upset?
Why are you telling my girl my plans? Eh? Why are you telling her without me telling her first?
Whether you tell her or me telling her, it's still the same thing.
It's not the same thing. She is my girl. Keep quiet for once. Don't say, can't you just shut up?
Okay, let me ask you something. That I'm trying to share your dreams with the woman you love. Is it a crime?
Is it your business? Eh? Is it your business? She's the woman I love. Okay? Focus on the woman you love. Let me focus on the woman I love. Don't say anything. Must you even talk? Every time Achike, talkative. You just here telling her my plans. That I want to do this one, I want to do that one.
See, me, I know that your plans or your dream is not photography. Yes. Photography is just your hobby. It's not your dream. Okay, let me ask you. Why did you drag me to this place? Is it not because of her?
Now, so you can shut up your mouth for once.
No, wait. Why? It's because of her that you dragged me to this place. So why should I leave out of this?
Don't say anything, okay? Whenever I'm with my girl, just keep quiet. That's what I want from you. Don't say anything.
You don't understand. What I'm trying to say is this. I know your dream.
Uh-huh.
Your dream is not photography. Photography is just your hobby.
Shut up. You're still talking, eh? Parrot. Shut up.
It's just your hobby.
Listen, I am going back there. Don't say anything, okay? Do not say what? Anything.
It's okay, but I know it's just your hobby. Me and you know.
Stay here.
What I know is that your hobby is just photography, not.
I will break your head. I will break your head now. I will break your head. You're a clown. You're a clown. Talkative.
With a woman in love. Hey, don't try it. Don't try it. Don't try that shit with me. I'm just singing. With a woman in love.
Thunder fire you.
With a woman in love.
I rebuke you in Jesus' name.
With a woman in love.
I want to ask you something. Why do you always scold Achike whenever we are together? Don't you want me to know you?
Lord, my love, you already know me. I mean, Achike cannot tell you anything about me. But nothing. Baby, listen. You know me. And with time, you'll get to know everything about me. But one thing you should know for sure is I am not as interesting as you are. I'm boring.
No, I don't think so. You are the one that always make jokes whenever we are together.
Don't take it too deep. I am not a joker. But if you're looking for one, then Achike is the right person. That guy is a clown. I'm not just a clown, he's a comedian.
You're not serious.
I'm serious, Achike. He talks anyhow. My love, the sun is too hot, okay? I don't like sun on you. Please. Guide my princess.
Is it one more? Love more. You are the air that I breathe. You are the apple of my eye. You are the love of my life.
This food sweet, oh.
I swear.
Hey!
Sandra, now white material.
I tell you.
She can cook for Africa.
Guess what I saw today?
What did you see?
I saw a poster that said photography competition. First prize, 500,000. Second prize, 300,000. Third prize, 150,000. I saw it on my way coming here.
Did you branch at the guy takes bar before coming to my house?
What are you insinuating? That I'm drunk when I saw it.
Obviously. Because you have never said anything positive in your life. Always negative, saying nonsense things that are not real. How can you say 500k for photography competition?
That's
1 million in this village? Nah, you're a junkie. What is it? What is it?
You're finished. Your photosynthesis is finished.
Have you seen it? You have lost it.
You need vegetable.
You don't know anything. All you know how to do is to eat food. Eat food. Come to my house.
My friend, you need vegetable.
Say photosynthesis. Olodo.
You need vegetable.
You just eat and start saying nonsense. Photography, 1,500,000 in this village.
You need vegetable.
In this village. One name. Start going, you know.
You need the lencham. Uchakri. Barata.
I've been thinking now, and I've come to conclusion that I'll be joining that photography competition you told me about.
Oh.
Yes.
No. You have to join. Nice. You have to join. At least I know you're coming up with third position. Yeah.
Third what?
Position at least.
No, first or nothing. First position. Why will I come at third?
Because I know the caliber of people that will be there. You don't have camera, you've not been practicing. So at least third position won't be bad.
No, first. No matter the caliber of people that are coming there, I must win. I have strong faith.
I know you're winning already.
win.
You might come first or second, but I know third position won't be bad.
First is first. Number one.
Okay, no problem.
I'm the first son.
Win.
I'll come out first.
You win.
The only problem I have now is this camera I've not gotten. That is what is bothering me.
Right.
I believe God. I believe God. Ajike, see those guys, oh. Eh? Those guys are there lazing about. Are you seeing what I'm saying?
Can you imagine? These guys are too lazy.
My friend, will you stand up and walk?
Eh? This one can't even handle shovel.
See.
Kai. Oh, children of nowadays, they make me mad. They can't even do anything. They can't even walk. You know, when I was younger, if you see me handle shovel or hoe or knife, oh my God, you fall in love with working in the farm.
When you were younger?
Yes.
Now you are old.
Very old, per se.
Very old. Yeah. Old man, no wife, no child, poverty written over your face, nothing to show for, and you're happy that you're old.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Ha!
Black pot that is calling another person black.
My brother.
How old are you?
Huh?
No, how old are you?
No problem now. We will know when it matters.
Do you think he's by all this beard?
When the right time comes, you will know who's older. So you're old man. Don't worry. I know why you're saying this.
Keep quiet, my friend.
I know why you're saying this because you're now taking this thing to the direction of money. No problem. Keep walking now.
Okay, we are walking now.
We are walking.
Two best friends, Echike and Chidi, they work together and do everything together. Echike is a drunkard, Chidi is a lover boy.
What thing that happened?
I don't understand.
You don't understand what? Your own is 2,000 naira. What is my own less? You should give me 2,000 naira now.
For what? Who have been supervising those boys? Who have been going there on a steady basis? I paid for everything, the farm tools they used. I brought water. Everything there, I paid for it. So what are you saying?
So all those things you mentioned now, how much is it?
I spent like 1.5 before we started this work.
And then?
And what? You took 500 naira from me. You borrowed 500 naira from me.
Me?
Yes, I remember now. You borrowed 500 naira from me.
So borrowed 500 from you.
Of course now.
When?
The first day at the farmland, you borrowed 500 from me. You said you wanted to buy drink and all that. So you're owing me.
Wait. I don't like what I hate. For real. I've already made plans for this money.
It is your business.
So I don't just complete it now.
Achike, you are owing me 500. In fact, you're owing me 500. So balance me later. I'm inside. Start going if you don't have anything to say.
You a bastard though. Okay, man. Complete this money, oh. Complete it.
Wait.
Complete it
before
I call you a bastard now.
Achike, who is a bastard?
I don't know your name.
Wait, Achike, who is a bastard?
I don't know you.
Achike! You see, there is something I've been wanting to tell you.
What is it?
Okay, let me tell you. Okay, don't worry, okay? I will see you tomorrow. When we see, I will discuss it with you.
No, tell me now. Tell me now.
You see,
Chidi. G-boy.
Baby, can I please call you back?
No, stay on the phone. Who is there? Who is there with you, Chidi?
No, not at all. Nobody is here with me, baby. I just want to check who's at the door. Someone is knocking.
I will stay on the line. We will check together.
Really? Is this the kind of wife I will marry?
Wife?
G-boy. Chidi.
Baby, let me just check who's at the door, okay?
Okay. I guess I'll talk to you later.
Oh no, stay with me. Let me check.
Chidi, hey, Chidi. Chidi, I've been knocking and you're not opening the door. I didn't even know you were inside. Yeah? Are you still angry because of what I said? Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, I won't say it again, Chidi. It's okay now.
Baby, there is something I wanted to discuss with you. Yes. You see, someone so special to me, someone I consider as a brother, told me about a photography competition. And I'm thinking of joining them.
Wow. Babe, that is nice. No, actually, that is super nice. Now people will get to see your talent outside this space. It's a good idea.
Wow. I mean, this coming from you means a whole lot to me. Thank you.
You're already a winner.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wait, you said someone told you? Your brother? Who is the person?
Achike. Can I call you back now?
Okay. Alright, I'm waiting for your call.
Alright.
Hey, Chidoski, my man. Chidi, I am deeply sorry. Okay? I didn't know that would just got you angry that way.
It's okay. It's okay. I've forgiven you. It's in the past now.
Okay.
It's okay.
It was just a mistake for me to say that, even though I know that your mother did not know your father, that made me to call you a bubble.
Achike, so what did you say?
It's okay, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to say that I'm sorry.
Don't ever call me that name again. Okay?
It's okay. How can I call you that name?
Achike, listen. Any alphabet that starts with B, avoid it today. Avoid it. Don't even say anything concerning B.
You don't even have any connection from B to bastard. You don't. Sorry, sometimes I explain things people don't understand.
This is the last time I'm warning you.
I understand.
It's okay. Let's go inside.
Chidi, my man, what? How can you be a bastard? No.
I'll bust you.
Hey, don't.
I will not do.
Biko,
I will wound you.
Don't. They go up with. See this box. They go up with. It's only a bastard can use this.
Sandra, there is something I want you to do for me.
What is it? I am willing to do anything for you. Once it's within my power, I'll do it.
Of course, it's within your power, my love, my precious one, my queen. It's within your power.
You're calling me your queen?
Of course, you're my queen.
You're a special one?
Oh, my love.
I'm even your love.
Yes.
Okay. What do you want me to do for you?
Okay, I want you to be my model in this competition I am attending.
No, I can't. You want me to be your model?
Yes.
Model? No, I can't.
Why?
No, it's not my thing.
Why?
Me, a model? No.
Listen.
No, I can't.
Listen to me. Listen. Okay? It's not as if there's anything bad in it. No. I mean, why are you scared of doing it?
I even thought you'd be glad, you'd be happy to do this with me.
Oh, won't other people see me?
People will see it. I mean, you're beautiful. People will see your beauty. They will appreciate it. The judges will see it. Everybody will see it. So tell me, what are you afraid of?
Of being criticized. Yes.
Criticize about what?
No. It's not my thing. I can't.
Baby, listen to me, Sandra. You see this thing you're rejecting. This is the same opportunity every girl in this village would want to take and shine.
I'm not like every other girl in this village. I'm not.
And that is what is making me go crazy. You're just so different. And that is why I love you more. That is why I can't stay a day without thinking about you. You're just different from every other girl in this village. I'm just lucky to have you. I'm very lucky. In fact, I'm the luckiest man on earth. I want everybody to see your beauty, the beauty you possess. You're my love. You're my queen. Why are you doing this, baby? I want you to accept this, okay? For us, I want people to see you out there. I want people to appreciate you. You're just like the art that God created on a Sunday morning. So, how can you have all this beauty and hide it from people? Accept this. I'm just picturing myself taking you some pictures, some beautiful pictures under the tree, beside the stream. Baby, this is a powerful opportunity. Please be my model. Please. Sandy, baby, my queen. Think about it, okay?
Is it one you more? Love more. You are the air that I breathe.
I want you to be my model.
You are the apple of my eyes. You are the love of my life. Wadamarama. Ezebo one you more. Obugi capture. Obimo. Thunder fire will try to separate us. Pasiasia. Ewo. Obimo. Arunginaya.
This is the same opportunity every girl in this village would want to take and shine.
Love more. If you give a love in me. Love more.
I want you to accept this, okay? For us, I want people to see you out there. I want people to appreciate you.
Love more. If you naya more. If you give a love in me. Love more.
Okay, this one. What's going on?
What do you know about modeling? Happy photo shoots? Modeling competition.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
A friend wants to enter photography competition.
Yes, and so?
He wants me to be his model.
Really? You mean he wants to take you pictures that he will use, which after using to do some things, he will become a star?
Yes. Something like that.
I like it! Yes! I like it! I like it! Yes! Because if he becomes a star, that means you'll be a star too.
Yes, yes. Yes, Mama.
And I heard that these competitions are done in big cities and not in villages like ours.
Yes, yes. Mama, I heard the prize money is very big.
You see? I know about these things. I have always known that my daughter is destined for great things. That's why I have been grooming you all this while.
Hey, So, Mama, are you saying I should do it?
Exactly. You should go ahead and do it.
I don't want anyone to criticize me.
Criticize who? Have you taken a look at yourself? This beautiful endowment on you, which they are now seeing to use, you inherited it from me. Have you taken a look at your face and your bust line? How beautiful your bust line is and how beautiful shaped you are. Your hips, everything in perfect order. Yeah? All this you inherited from me. Your face, have you taken a glass to look at your face? How beautifully endowed your teeth are. Eh? You got it. Everything is in position. So that is what they are aiming at. You inherited it from me. I gave it to you. I remember in my days, my heydays, when I was as young as you are, that I had the most beautiful face in my community. If not in the 7 communities, I was the most beautiful.
Wow. Mama, that has put a smile on my face.
Good.
But I'm still more beautiful than
you. I forgive you. You know why? Because I've given you my beauty. The things I cannot do then, I want you to do them. Come, let's talk about it. Come, I'm so happy. No, I won't touch you. I will groom your body very beautiful now so that nothing will happen to you. Okay. And I am sure those people saw your face when it was natural. Paint.
No more.
So tell me more about it. What did they want?
Chidi! Knock!
Ah! My love! You here?
Yeah.
Wow! I wasn't expecting you.
Yes, I want to tell you something.
I hope it's not a bad news.
I will do it.
Are you serious? You'll do it. You'll be my model. Whoa! Yes, I knew it! Oh, my love, thank you for not disappointing me. I know it was so difficult for you to accept this, but I just knew that you accept it finally. Thank you. You see, I trust you so much. Okay? You're beautiful. You're the most beautiful woman in this world. Huh? And I want to project you. I want the whole world to see you with your pictures. Huh? You're so beautiful, even without makeup. You are naturally beautiful. So I just can't wait for that very good day that I will be taking pictures of you.
Okay, you'll be taking the pictures yourself?
Of course I will. It is my time and season. You know what? This calls for celebration.
Okay.
This time I prepare something. Let's get inside. Oh! Achike, guess what?
What?
She has finally agreed to do it.
Do what?
Remember I told you I needed a model for my photography competition. I told Sandra, she accepted.
What cake you use? Yeah?
I don't understand.
Why didn't you tell Neka?
Huh?
Yes, why didn't you ask Neka?
Who is?
Because she did modeling when she was in secondary school.
Who is Nega? That's Mbeke. Achike, what is your problem? How can you compare Nega to Sandra, a beautiful goddess? Now what for you? Nah.
Neka is a professional. When you want to do things, you do things with professionals. So your things will be solid and sweet. Yeah? How can you want to use that muturum pafu? Yeah? According. That doesn't make sense at all. Anyway, both of you are novice. What do you know?
Well, Achike, I won't marry again. You just called me a novice. Eh? No. Who are you calling a novice?
Who is a novice before?
Who are you calling a novice? You're a novice, I'm a professional. I'm a big boy. I have left this village, I've traveled out, I've seen things, and you're still here, you're calling me a novice.
You're a big boy.
I'm a big boy now. Don't ever call me a novice in your life. Don't ever try it again. Don't ever try it. I have plans. At least I have passion for photography. Once I get now, I'll start, doing things. Tomorrow now I'll be like T.Y. Bello, make money, travel, and you'll be in this village, wallowing in poverty, and you're calling me a novice. Next time I try it, I'll just give you uppercuts. Man. Anytime you come to my house, you always say something that will upset me. You can never say something interesting. And why is your face like that?
I just remembered something. I remembered that you don't even have a camera. And that makes you novice. Don't because if you know what you're doing by now, you should have a camera. Hi. Afana. What is it? Yeah? Yeah. Chidi. Chidi. Okay. So now they go now. You're not in the mood to talk to me, right? Then one letter now. I see you're not in the mood to talk.
How are you, my baby? Is everything all right? What is it? Anyway, I saw Achike on my way here. He told me you have not been talking to him for days. What is going on with you?
Nothing.
Nothing. Baby, how can you tell me nothing while you're in this mood? Talk to me. It's me.
Nothing is happening. Nothing is going on. There's no problem.
Talk to me. You can't tell me there's no problem when you are like this.
Sandra, I want to be left alone.
What do you mean you want to be left alone? Why? What is going on with you?
This one, you are not wearing your cap today. What is it?
Are you my friend?
No, we are friends.
Help me wear them.
I should wear you the cap.
Wear me the cap.
Are you drunk?
You know, say Sabi insult somebody.
I make her help you. You saw this cap heavy like this. Jesus! Hey! What am I seeing? Achike! Camera!
It's a camera now.
How did you get this?
It's not a bomb, it's a camera.
How did you get this camera?
I bought it for you. It's for you.
Hey! Are you serious?
It's for you now.
For me?
I know if you buy something for you.
No. Where did you get the money to buy this camera?
I broke my savings.
Achike, you bought this thing for me. Chai.
Because I see your passion. Your passion.
Chai. Achike don't bust my brain. Oh, Achike don't
Okay,
bust
you hear
my
this sound nice. You hear this sound nice. Yeah.
Achike. Hey, my brother. Thank you. Thank you.
You're not just a friend to me.
Thank you.
You're like a brother to me. In fact, you're a brother.
Day one. My day one. Achike. You broke your savings. Chai. Just because of me.
You know.
But I told you now, the competition is not important. It's not that important to me.
No.
Why would you break your save because
you're
of me?
like a brother to me, so I can gift you. You're like a brother to me.
Chai. Achike, Chuku Goziegi. Chuku Goziegi. Thank you. Bye.
You like it, eh?
I love it. This is my passion. This is my dream.
Snap me first.
Thank you so much. Let me snap you now.
Go this side.
Yeah. Stay here. Hey, Achike.
That is it.
Hey, that's another one. Achike.
Wait.
Hey. Okay, let's go. The last one. Achike. Are you sure this camera is good?
Idiot.
Okay.
I used to buy it. I see me.
Wow, this camera is beautiful. Achike, my best friend. Let me see. Wow. Shady the photographer. Again. Where's the flash? I was thinking this will flash since it's night. Okay, maybe tomorrow I will just go through the menu again. Last one. I want to take my beautiful Sandra, Oteha position. Smile for me, baby. And I will go like this. Okay, then I'll give her a wide shot. Like this. I have to bend. Which is beautiful. Dope. Let me call her. Tomorrow is the D-Day.
The number you're trying to call is not available at the moment. Please try again later. Thank you.
Why? Network, don't start this nonsense with me.
The number you're trying to call is not available at the moment. Please try again later. Thank you.
Don't try me. Don't just try me.
The number you're trying to call is not available at the moment. Please try again later. Thank you.
Why would it? Network. Don't try this thing with me. You have to connect.
The number you're trying to call is not available at the moment. Please try again later. Thank you. The number you're trying to call is not available at the moment. Please try again later. Thank you. The number you're trying to call is not available at the moment. Please try again later. Thank you.
Is it one more? Love more. You are the air that I breathe. You are the apple of my eyes. You are the love of my life. What a marama. Is it one? Is it one? Oh, boogie capture. Obimo. Thunder fire will try to separate us. Pasiasia. Ewo. Obimo. Aronginaya. Love more. Love more. Love more. If you give a love in me. Love more. If you naya more, if you give a love on me, okuwa more, love more. If you naya more, if you give a love on me, love more. If you naya more, if you give a love on me.
Okay.
Yeah, you're welcome. I've been waiting. I'm so sorry. My mom decided to go and see her sister. So I'll take her to the park.
It's okay. I'm glad you're here finally. I've been looking for you everywhere. Just that you came a little bit late.
Is it too late that we can't do anything again?
Not that late. We can actually achieve something.
Okay. We can go.
Is it one more? Love more. You are the air that I breathe. You are the apple of my eyes. You are the love of my life. What a marama. Is it one? Is it one? Oh, boogie capture. Obimo. Thunder fire will try to separate us. Pasiasia. Ewo. Obimo. Aronginaya. Love more. Love more. Love more. If you give a love in me, love more. If you naya more, if you give a love in me, okuwa more, love more. If you naya more, if you give a love in me, love more. If you naya more, if you give a love in me. Is it one you more? Love more. You are the air that I breathe. You are the apple of my eye. You are the love of my life. Wadamarama. Is it one? Is it one you more? Obugi capture. Obimo. Thunder fire will try to separate us. Pasiasia. Ewo. Obimo. Aranginaya. Love more. Love more. Love more. If you give a love in me. Love more. If you naya more, if you give a love in me, okuwa more, love more. If you naya more, if you give a love in me.
Baby, tell me, what do you want?
I want you to win. I want you to send the best picture, edit it, and send the best. Only the best, yes. What is it?
I think it will be a bit difficult for me because the pictures I took are all beautiful. Exactly. So I don't know how I can get the best because I love all of them.
Serious?
Yes.
Wow.
You know what's my love?
What?
I love you so much. I love you from the depth of my heart.
I love you too. Why only beg? Why no kiss?
You want me to kiss you? All right.
I'm shy.
Come there. I'm shy too, but we have to do it. Because you're my baby. Huh? I love you.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Feel it. Emotional.
Is it one you more? Love more. You are the air that I breathe. You are the apple of my eye. You are the love of my life. Wadamarama. Is it one? Is it one you more? Obugi capture. Obimo.
Yes, I'm fine, baby.
You're not serious. No, wait, you want me to come cook for you? You're not hungry yet. Keep waiting for me. Hold on, I'll call you back. Hold on. Mama?
Watch over the food. Let me go somewhere. I'm coming back now.
Okay, Mama, I will. Okay, Mama.
What have you caused? Why? What is it? Chimo.
Mama.
What have you done?
Mama.
I left this food under your care. Yes. When I left this house, you were with this phone, pressing it. And I came back to the house. You are still holding the phone, pressing it. Are you okay?
I'm so sorry, Mama.
Sorry for what?
I'm so sorry.
Are you alright? I'm so sorry. Sorry for what?
I'm so sorry.
You should be sorry for yourself. What is going on? What is okay? You are sorry.
Membiko, don't be angry with me. Oh, please. Not intentional.
I know. I'm not intentional. Because you were with phone. Your mind was lost. Lost into the phone. Like a mad woman.
I'm sorry.
Mama. For this burnt food. You will feed on it today. You will use it for your morning breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Till tomorrow.
Hey.
No food will touch your lips.
Mama, have mercy.
Yes, Mama, have mercy. Foolish girl. Hold that phone, eat it. I've just told you. You will feed on this burnt food throughout today and tomorrow.
Not even from Shako. Hey! Ha! Chidi, have you seen what you caused? Have you seen it? Hey? Mama, I'm so sorry. Oh. I'm pregnant.
Eh? You are pregnant? Hey! Amaka, this is very bad, though. Hey. This is very bad. Only if Arinze does not want it, it will be a very big problem for you. Oh? Does he? Does he want it?
Arinze is not even aware of this, so I just found out.
Amaka, I'm so body wow. There is problem. This is very, 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 very bad. So you cannot, Bachi, you can't just hold it tight. You cannot abstain from sex. Or better still, use a protection. Hey, Amaka. But when I cook here, baby, left and right. Only go. You are in trouble. There's problem. Sugar.
It's not my fault, though. He convinced me. He said I should do it if I know I love him. That is why.
But that is not the issue now. The problem is that he beats me.
He beats you?
Yes.
Amaka, Arinze beats you?
Yes.
Very well.
Choma, where are you going to? Eh? Choma, where are you going to now? What are you going there to do?
Amaka, leave me alone! Okay.
Hey, Choma, please, please. Choma, stop it now. Where are you going to now? Amaka, what are you going there to do?
I'm going there to pray. I'm going there to thank you for beating you.
Choma, please. No. Choma, stop it, please. Please, now stop it now. Choma, stop it. Stop it. Choma, don't do this now, eh? Choma, stop it. Stop it now. Please, don't go there. What are you going there to do now, please? Eh? Please, no.
My friend.
No, Choma, no, please. Choma, stop it. Choma, please now. Choma, I'm begging you, please don't do this now, please. What are you going there to do, Choma, please? Please, I beg you. Choma, no. Choma, please now, don't do this kind of thing now, Choma, please. What are you going there to do now? I don't want you to do anything stupid. Choma, please. Choma, please now, please. Choma, don't do this now. Choma, please. Hey. Choma now, Choma, please. Oh, don't do this now. What are you looking for? Choma. Choma now, please. Oh, Choma, please. Oh, hey, Choma, please now, please. Choma, please, don't do this now. Choma, please. Stop it. Choma, stop it. Oh, please, you will get somebody. Somebody's gonna help you. Choma, hey, Choma, you get somebody, please now. Hey, Choma, please. Hey, Choma, please. Oh, Choma, please. Somebody help me. Choma, please. Hey, somebody help me. Oh, Choma, please, you will kill somebody. Choma, please. Stop this now, You will get somebody, Choma, please.
Arinze, where are you?
Choma.
Arinze, where are you?
Hey.
Where are you hiding? Come out!
Hey.
Come out! Let me show you what a woman looks like when she's pissed. Where are you, you fool?
Somebody's gonna help me, oh.
Arinze!
Choma, you will get somebody, oh. Hey. Choma, please, oh. Choma, please, oh. Choma. Hey. Choma, please, now. Don't do this now, Choma. Please now.
You will go and meet me in this house.
Hey, Choma, please, oh.
You are hiding there. Arinze, you are hiding.
Choma,
you are hiding from me, Choma.
Hey,
Choma, Polako. I will deal with you today in this village. Arinze, in this village, I will deal with you today.
Calm down, please.
Don't
do this now.
Choma, please. Okay. Wherever you are hiding, Choma, Sirike will catch you.
Choma, calm down.
I will get you.
Please.
Tell him I will get you.
It's okay.
It's
okay now, Choma, please. Now, calm down.
Okay, for Arinze. You can wear on the highway.
Just calm down. Oh, it's okay
Arinze.
now. Okay, please. For my sake, please, calm down. Choma, please. Please, oh, please.
Arinze.
No, stop.
Arinze.
Calm down.
Arinze.
Please, oh, please.
Okay, for Arinze. See you alone. Who want to Choma go and wear on the highway?
Calm down, oh, Choma, please now. Don't do this now, please, for my sake. For my sake. Choma, please now. Somebody help me! Yes! Yes! It's okay now, Joma, please! Joma, please! Hey! Joma, go! No, stop it! Stop it, go now! Go! Hey! It's okay! It's okay now! It's okay! Go now! Hey! No, we see! Go! What is it that you're doing this year? Stop it! Hey, Choma! Choma, what have you done? Choma, what have you done? What did you do? Do you want to kill him?
Snap out of it. This is life. I am only trying to help you. Have some senses into this your stupid brain. Ewu.
I don't need your kind of help. Now get out. Now. Get out! Let me tell you something, Choma. You will never find a man if you continue with this temper of yours. You will never find a man if you continue with this temper of yours.
Are you mad? Eh? How dare you touch me? Are you stupid? The man of buggy.
I just want to tell you that your water was leaking.
Did I tell you I don't know? Agwangia, one people moves over.
Did I do bad thing? Is it a bad thing to tell somebody that his or her water is leaking?
You don't have respect, you man of buggy.
Yeah, sorry, yeah.
Come. Yes. Come and help me bring it down.
Ah.
Yes, my hand is paining me.
Why you slap me?
Sorry, come on, bring it down.
Hey!
What did I tell you? Did I tell you? I don't know the water. It's leaking. Did I tell you? Did I tell you I don't know the water? It's leaking. I'm off here. You want to touch this thing? Eh? You don't have respect.
See, you get luck. You get luck. You know that I'm in my good mood today, eh?
You will do what? Eh? Who will not help me? Yeah? Why are you laughing? Come. How are you? No, put it on your own head. Be going. Ewu, come here. Can't you see what your mate is doing? Instead, you help me to carry the gallon. Stupid boy. Be quiet, my good boy. Don't worry. I will see you. I will see you. I will get you.
Anybody here? Who is that? Who is here?
Who is that disturbing me this afternoon?
Good afternoon.
Hey, guess what is it?
Please, I need palm oil. I left something on the fire, please. Palm oil.
Okay, I don't have oil. Go.
Okay, where can I get, please? Where can I get palm oil, please?
I said I don't have palm oil. Go now. If I talk, people will say, Choma, I've started talking. I don't want to talk. You, sorry for yourself. Now, God. Nonsense. Go there. See what I said. What I guess.
Commander, good afternoon. Please, do you have oil?
Two best friends.
Oh, you don't have?
Oh, they walk together and do everything together. HK is a drunkard, GD is a lover boy, love, Ebola GD. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Support my dreams and feel my pain. We are two best friends, we do everything together. My name is HK, I drink away my pains. My name is Chidi, I fall in love. Ibu is Ibu friend, Ibu one name, mama.
Hello.
Yes.
Good afternoon. Please, I was told I can get palm oil here.
Oh, yes. But I don't have oil at the moment.
It's quite obvious. Please, can you tell me where I can get some?
Yes, I know somewhere you can get.
Okay. Is the place far from here, so I will just go and get it.
Not too far, but I'll have to take you there myself.
Okay, let's go then.
No. You have to wait. I was doing something inside, so you have to wait for me to round up.
Oh, okay. But please, you have to be fast. I'm in a haste.
Do you want the oil or not?
Sorry.
Two best friends, HK and Chidi. They walk together and do everything together. HK is a drunkard, Chidi is a lover boy, love, Ebola Chidi. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Support my dreams and feel my
Okay, here's the place.
Yes. House of Mama Chamaka, the woman that sells oil.
Mama Chamaka. Thank you very much. Thank you. Mama Chamaka.
Who they tell you though?
I fall in love with Ibu Ezibo friend. Ibu one mama. Ibu oka chama owegi onye dikagi. Ibu Ezibo friend. Ibu one mama. Ibu oka chama owegi onye dikagi. Ibu Ezibo friend. Ibu one mama. Ibu oka chama owegi onye dikagi. Ibu Ezibo friend. Ibu one mama. Ibu oka chama owegi onye dikagi.
Had it been married now, my wife would have prepared a wonderful meal for me. Father will marry. I will marry, and I will marry Sandra. Sandra, my wife. Sandra, my wife. I can't wait to marry you. And I will tell her chicken that I'm a big boy. Sandra, my wife. By then, I'll be eating good food. Apple, pounded yam. Good food. And this local delicacy I'm eating. I don't want this one. That's nice. Hola. I need to finish this food fast before Achike comes here. That guy is a hungry fellow. My love, how are you? You're here. Good to see you.
Same here.
I wasn't expecting you.
Well, I wanted to call you, but I said no. Let me pay you a surprise visit.
Oh, my love.
Okay, I brought your food.
You brought food for me?
Yes.
Thank you.
You've eaten already?
So Achike left this plate here. My love, it was Achike that ate this food though. I asked him after I finished eating, bring the plate inside, and he left. You see why I don't like this boy? You see why I don't like? In fact, he will not see my food again. That's right now. I told him to bring it inside after eating. Oh, this guy is something else. See why I don't like?
It's alright. I made this specially for you.
Wow. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you, my love. See why I love you. Thank you. I don't need to ask you what is inside. I know.
I know. Okay, baby, let's sit and
No, let's go inside.
You are the apple of my eye.
Okay.
You are the love of my life.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love palm oil a lot. I like taking it with roasted yam. Thank you.
Thank you for coming back. Your patronage means a lot to me.
Thank you. You see, I needed this palm oil so urgently. I even had to go to that woman you showed me yesterday. Because she had no palm oil. So I had to come back to try my luck.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
You know, when you came and you didn't see oil, I felt so bad. So I had to rush to the market to get some to avoid such situations happening again.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You're such a hard-working young lady. And I know all your clients, they must be proud of you.
Thank you, they are. But it's not easy. But I try as much as I can to please them. And again, it's not easy these days to get clients that will always come back.
Yeah, that's true.
In case if you need anything, just let me know.
Okay, I will let you know. Thank you. I have to start going now.
Okay, you will come back again.
Chidi!
San...
Chidi!
San... Sandra, I
You don't have to explain anything. I saw you looking at her.
Me looking at her? No, I wasn't looking at her.
Chidi, don't call me a liar. I caught both of you looking at each other, eyeball to eyeball. Chidi.
No, I wasn't looking at her. She was looking at me.
Oh,
Yes, because I came to buy palm oil.
she was looking at you.
Yes.
You came to buy palm oil.
Look at it.
No problem. Chidi, go back and continue to buy palm oil.
I'm done.
Continue to buy palm oil, Chidi.
I'm done.
Useless man.
Sandra! Sandra! Please listen, I'm serious. Sandra! Sandra, listen. I just came to buy palm oil.
Is it one more? Love more. You are the air that I breathe. You are the apple of my eye. You are the love of my life. What a marama. Is it one? Is it one more? Obugi capture. Obimo. Thunder fire will try to separate us. Basiasia. Ewo. Obimo. Aranginaya. Love more. Love more. Love more. If you give a love in me. Love more.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Who showed you my house?
I asked around.
You asked around. Yes. Now please, Choma, leave my house. Leave my house this minute. I don't want to see you.
Okay, fine. But I am only here to apologize.
Apologize about what? Huh?
I flirted with you a little, and that's what she saw. I am here to tell you that I am deeply sorry.
Okay, fine. I have heard you. Can you please leave my house now? Please!
Chidi.
I said leave! Leave my house!
I said I am sorry, and I need you to understand that. I am sorry.
I said! Listen, I don't want to be harsh on you. Can you kindly leave my house this minute before I change my mind? Leave!
I've had enough of this. Yeah? I've had enough. How can you be crying and behaving like this over a woman? as if she's the only one in this community. What is wrong with you?
Achike, you will not understand.
How?
Sandra is not just any woman.
But what?
She's my special one. I love this girl so much, and I want her. Eh? You will not understand.
See, I don't care about this thing you're talking about. Just tell her off and let her know.
It's difficult now. Very difficult. You're my friend. I want you to help me out. Talk to her, please.
I should help you talk to her.
Please.
Someone that has refused seeing you, refused talking to you for some time now. What makes you think that she'll listen to me?
Just try. There's no harm in trying. Try.
You know what
Please.
you need now? You go follow me, go drink up. You need to take one ball with me. Yes. So your memory, your senses will come back. So you regain your memory. You're a man. You're not a woman. You need to change this mindset. Yes, that she saw you with a woman, meaning, and then, why is she taking it so personal? You need to change you just need to change.
Are you saying if I drink, I will forget about her?
If you drink up with me now, you forget about your sorrows. Let's
So
go
you know
on.
I don't take alcohol now.
You have to take it this time around. So you have sense. Yes.
Okay, let me go and change into something.
Go. Let's go and do it. Because you've lost photosynthesis. Abi, your system is getting empty.
Love is wicked.
Your brain is getting crumbled.
I'm coming. You mean if I drink, I will forget about it?
No, if you swallow, you forget about it. Move. Be fast, let's go.
You are the apple of my eye. You are the love of my life. Thunder fire will try to separate us. Obimo, Aranginaya. Love more.
Right.
Love more.
Center.
If you give a love in a me.
Left, right, center. Left, right.
If you know
Left, right, center, or left, right.
If you know if you give a love in me. Love more. If you know if you give a love in me.
Left, right, center, or left, right, center. Oh, what a holy day for a holy man. I think I need some bottles of left, right, center. Achike, see what you made me do. Left. Achike, it shall never be well with you.
Love more.
Achike,
You
I will deal
are the
with you.
apple of my eye.
I must deal
You
with
are
you.
the love of my
You
life.
led me to be going left, center.
Thunder fire will try to separate us. Ewo, Obimo, Aranginaya. Love more, love more, love more. If you give a love in me, love more. If you know more, if you give a love in me, okuwa more, love more. If you know more, if you give a love in me. Love more, if you know more, if you give a love me.
What a bed. This. Oh, what a bed. Lets me enjoy myself after a long whole day. A long whole day has come to an end.
Stand up, oh. Hey. Chidi, let me help you to your house. Yes, let me help you. Stand up, oh. Where did you drink this kind of alcohol?
Okay, Achike. Again.
Let me sleep. Okay, let me sleep here.
Left, or right, or center?
That side.
Right.
Left.
Left.
Yes. No, right.
Center.
Right.
Okay. Right.
Wait, let me carry it.
It's the best. You need some alcohol. Alcohol is sweet. Alcohol. You can carry me. Alcohol is fun. Alcohol is sweet. Alcohol is sweet. Alcohol is beautiful. Alcohol is beautiful. Carry me here. Home is the best. Home is the best. Yes.
Let's try, oh.
I am tired. I need some more alcohol.
Your house is just there. Hi. Oh, chicken. Come like this. Be going. Hey. Chicken, be going, please.
I can't see myself.
Sorry.
Want some more alcohol? Alcohol. Alcohol.
Where is your house key? Your key.
My car keys.
Your house key.
It's my house key. Inside. That is my house. My sweet house. The key. Oh, you found it.
Let's go inside. Chidi, wake up. Stand up.
Yeah.
Inside.
Let's go back.
No, inside.
Let me swim like a fish.
Oh!
You smell like food. Huh? Are you?
Oh, this Chidi was talking to me.
Home is the best. I smell food. Please.
Be steady now. Be helpful for once. Hey. I've tried.
I need food. Rice.
Do I blame you? I don't blame you at all. So this is what you do to yourself. Every day you get drunk and scramble your way back home. You're lucky I even found you. Kalela no naja. You sleep on the sand.
You. What is your name?
Joma.
I know. Joma.
You want food. So when you were drinking alcohol, you don't know you will eat food first before alcohol. Each and again alcohol will meet. Alcohol is not a mate, oh. Chidi. This boy don't have respect. Anyways, I'm not supposed to be here, so I want to start going now. I'll make sure I shut your door firmly, so it won't look undone behind me. Before I see now, I make sure I'm also mad.
Separate us, ewo, obimo, aronginaya. Love more, love more. If you give a love in me, love more. If you naya more, if you give a love in me. If you give a love on me,
Yes.
How are you feeling today?
Fine. Fine.
I'm here to know if you have some palm oil.
Left? No. I will go to the market later today. Do you want it for yourself or for someone else? Because I know you just got some.
Yes, I want it for someone.
Okay, you will have to come back later in the day.
Okay, so I should return later in the day, right?
Yes, no. I could bring it to you.
Oh yeah, that would be nice. Okay, I'll be waiting for you. Um, I beg to take my leave now.
Okay. I will bring it to you.
Yeah.
Yes.
I know I came to your house, but it wasn't for palm oil.
I know.
Chama, what happened last night?
We made love.
That happened?
Yes. It was my first time. We did it.
Listen, Chama, there is something I want to discuss with you, and it's very important. Let's go inside and talk.
No. We'll talk here.
Okay, let's sit. Chama, you see, what happened last night? I don't even know where to start.
I was drunk.
Yes,
That's how to start.
I was drunk.
And I enjoyed it.
And I enjoyed it.
I meant me.
I thought you were mad at me.
I've never been with any man before.
See, that is it. It's what makes it more confusing. Do you want to be with me?
I barely know you.
I know. I barely know you too. You see, I don't even know what else to say. I don't know what to do. But all I know is that what happened last night was...
Incredible.
It was a mistake. Yes. This person here is a patient man. I'm responsible. I wouldn't have allowed what happened yesterday happen if it wasn't because of alcohol. Before what happened, listen to me. I am single. We can still be friends.
Not because you love me.
Sandra. I can explain. Sandra!
Is it one more? Love more. You are the air that I breathe. You are the apple of my eye. You are the love of my life. What a man. Is it one? Is it one more? Obugi capture. Obimo. Thunder fire will try to separate the Obimo, Arangia, love more. If you give a loving in me, love more, show my more. If you know more, if you give a loving in me, oh, more, love more. If you know if you give a love on me, show my more, love more. If you know if you give a love on me. No.
Only it's okay. Wipe your tears. I am not happy either. I am not happy at all that all of this are happening. But what can we do? It's okay. Heavens will provide. You go. It's okay.
Mama, I just can't believe he moved on from me so fast. So fast. Mama, he promised me. He promised. He said he loved me with all his heart. He promised never to leave me. He promised, Mama.
It's okay, my daughter. He said he loved you, but he never meant it. For him to move on that fast shows that he never loved you. And that is meant for you. In the world of ecstasy, they will make you to believe that you own the world they live in. And when they are done with you, they will take the world away from you. Even the air they make you believe that you are to them, they will stop you from breathing the air. So it's okay. Let him go. Let him go. That is man. I know this is the reason I was saying all that I was saying to you. Thank God he did not make you pregnant. Thank God. I told you I am your mother. That I see things. I know. I know what they are made of. Can you imagine?
Mama, I still love him.
You still do what? You see? Just look at my beautiful daughter. How can you keep loving a man that is very obvious to you that does not love you? A man does not love you and you are loving him back. It's not right. You don't cry for a man that doesn't have regards and respect for you. You are here shedding tears and he is in the arms of another woman and you are crying. Put yourself together as a woman and uphold your dignity as a woman. Let him go. Let's go. Let's go. Madam Mom. Meet here, meet me. My daughter, you will not love me again. Let's go. I love you.
I breathe. You are the apple of my eye. You are the love of my life. Wadamarama. Ezebo wa imo. Obugi kamchoro. Obimo. Thunder fire will try to separate us. Basiasia. Ewo. Obimo. Aronginaya. Love more. Love more. Love more. If you give a love in me. Love more. Show my more. If you naya more. If you give a love in me. Okuwa more. Love more. If you naya more. If you give a love in me. Show my more. Love more. If you naya more. If you give a love in me. You are the air that I breathe. You are the apple of my eye. You are the
Let me give you
love of
one
my
bad shot.
life.
This one is called the American shot. Alright.
Ezebo wa imo. Obugi kamchoro. Obimo. Thunder fire will try to separate us. Basiasia. Ewo. Obimo. Aronginaya.
I love you more. Alright. This time.
Love more. Show my more. If you naya more. If you give a love in me. Okuwa more. Love more. If you naya more. If you give a love in me. Show my more. Love more. If you naya more. If you give a love in me.
You ready? Wanna talk a pineapple?
Who is pineapple?
Wanna talk a pineapple?
Who is pineapple?
Wanna talk a pineapple?
Who is pineapple?
I love you, so beautiful.
I know it's
Oh my goodness. I'm just wondering how it's going to be. What do you think?
Come on, man. Don't feel nervous. Look at you. Somebody is about to be a big star.
Oh, please just come off it. Don't be proud of me yet, okay? I'm just thinking. This is a big, a huge one. You know how much we're talking about here?
Baby, I am already proud of you. Mm? You know, I have this feeling down my heart that you're going to win. Yes, I see to be the winner, like something big, something huge. So don't give up.
You think so?
I know so.
You see why I love you?
I love you too.
Come here. All right, let me start my rehearsals by snapping you.
No, baby, I'm going to snap you, so you have to cheer up.
Why? Give
Babe,
me
no, baby, I'm doing it.
Why are you just stubborn? You're just too stubborn to my liking.
Just
Baby, give me this.
smile. Make sure you smile. Stay there.
All right, ladies first.
Take it chill. Chill. Baby, hurry up. Alright, this one.
Put your hand on your chest, love.
Alright, you win.
This is beautiful.
Wait, hold on. The love symbol should show well. Alright. I love you. That's okay. Let me see.
No.
Let me see.
No.
Bien. My God! You don't win now. 500k.
Hey!
For the competition.
Baby, you won!
I won!
Yes.
I won!
Yes.
500k! Good news!
Baby, you won!
I won! Thank you!
500k.
Thank you! Yes! With the camera I bought for you.
See what is written here.
500k.
Is it Chidi? You'll be coming to the grand finale
next week.
Next week?
Yes.
Abuja!
Thank you!
Thank you!
So what's going to happen next? Are they going to give him the cash now? Or what's happening?
I will go there. I will go there, baby. We will go there.
I will go with you.
Of course!
My man.
Of course!
My mom.
Of course! Who's Chidi? Who's Chidi? I am Chidi. My baby Choma. I am won! 500k! Yes!
Hey, Achike,
Yes.
thank you. Thank you so
very
much.
much.
We brought
Thank
the
you.
contract.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much. Choma, take this in inside here. Bring.
You deserve a plate of rice.
Bring 2 plates.
No, one.
No, give me 2 plates.
2 plates.
He's a foodie.
Yes,
baby.
Achike, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. I will bring you the food.
Okay.
Baby, you
Hi.
won.
Hey. Feel the. No, I want the person to feel the
Feel what?
Feel the.
Why were you hugging my wife?
No. I thought it's the joy. The joy. I thought it was you.
Keep that joy to yourself.
Okay.
It's okay. Don't overreact. I'm the one that won the money, not you.
Hey.
Wait.
Choma, bring rice, bring stew and fish. Ashike, I'm coming,
Okay.
Thank you for the information.
Hey.
You're a good friend.
Okay.
Hey.
So, he won with my pictures.
So
Yeah.
they'll be like the first contestant. Sorry, the winner is
winner.
Chidi.
Yeah.
Hey, so this is where is my own share of the money? Buy me anaka. Give me my own share of the money.
Sandra, nice to see you.
Where Erika nice? Nothing nice about anything. I have to hear that you won from someone else. Okay, after everything,
Sandra,
I want my own share of the money.
listen, I was actually going to get to you.
After we go back from your trip, after you go back from your trip, I don't have time for this. Give me my own money. My own share of the money. Buy me anaka.
Sandra, can you just calm down? I am willing to give you.
Give it to me. Give it to me. I want half of the money. Huh? I want half of the money.
Half of the money for what? I don't understand. Like, explain.
My friend, will you just mind your own business? You're nothing but a slut.
Are you mad?
Choma, please.
Why would you call me a slut?
It's okay, it's okay.
Something wrong with your head.
Sandra.
Hey!
Sandra!
How dare you!
Sandra!
Are you nuts? Are you nuts?
It's okay, let's go inside, okay? I can handle this.
Baby.
I can handle this.
She just called me a slut.
Yes, that is what you are, my friend, my money. I need my money.
When did you change to be?
I said I need my money.
Sandra.
You called me a slut.
Sandra.
I will
Sandra.
I will design your face.
Sandra.
Me. Stop. Stop. The hot water for.
Stop. No, come back, you idiot.
I will finish you.
Go, please.
Finish me now. I will come back for you.
Stop.
Okay, I've heard you.
Let's go inside.
Yeah, I've heard you. Let me.
As for you. If I don't see my money, hey, for this.
Don't go.
Let me do this guy.
Baby, stop. Stop. Let's go inside.
Why you can't do for?
It's okay, let's go inside.
Okay, babe. This girl.
It's okay.
This girl does not know.
It's okay.
I break bottle for a living.
Get out. Go.
What? I go grab you. It never ends. Baby, I break bottle for a living. Let me show us better cups.
It's okay, no, don't stop. Choma, stop.
Okay, I've heard you. Wait.
Go inside.
Calm down.
Hey! Choma.
Nah, baby, let me.
Choma, you want to fight me? Huh? You want to fight me?
No.
I go inside. Hey! Choma!
She thinks she can fight. No problem. Only death can separate us.
Chidi, why did you allow what happened in your home happen?
My brother, it was beyond my control. I tried every means to stop the fight, but I couldn't.
You have to watch it. Sandra is a very wicked woman's kind. You have to protect Choma.
I will.
You better. Guy. You get drink. No.
You fool. You think you can steal from me and go scot-free? Eh? You think you can steal my happiness and my joy from me and go scot-free like a bird? Is that what you think?
Sandra. Sandra, I didn't steal from you. Please.
I thought you can fight. I thought you were a fighter. I would like to see you get up and fight me. Come on, get up. Get up and fight me. Let me see. Idiot. Animal. I don't blame you. Fool like you. Look. This is cheating. Eh? There's nowhere to be found. Eh? So he can't come between us to fight for you. Do you understand? Do you understand? You fool. Wait. I forgot to tell you. You see, Chidi, I hadn't dealt with him. He is dead!
No! Sandra, no! You're just bluffing
I'm
now!
not bluffing. You see, you don't come between a woman and her prized possession, her child, her lover, and her husband. If you do, she will do anything.
Which road did she take?
She saw you people and she ran away.
Okay.
Where? Here. All right, let's go, bro. Sorry, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. She said Chidi is dead. Is that true?
Chidi is alive. Chidi is not
alive.
dead. Yes.
He's alive?
Yes.
Chidi is alive?
Let's go.
Hold her very well, yes. You're under arrest for the killing of Mr. Chedi. Whatever you say here will be used against you in a court of law.
Hold her very well. She wants to kill Choma and
I didn't kill anybody.
Move.
I'm innocent, officer.
Brother, move.
I'm innocent. I didn't do anything.
When you get to the station.
I'm innocent. I didn't do anything.
Officer, hold her well. Hold her very well.